Hello, Charlie here
Brandy.
for Pafford Homestead with little Autumn. She's playing in the trailer. Say hi.
Hi.
So, we are harvesting onions today. And we put the trailer here on the patio in case if it rained. And we're gonna let the onions dry on the trailer. So that's this is just old onions that we already ate. But I already got some harvest here, so I need to let them dry more.
Wow, that's a lot.
This is just the white onions. Now that looks like a yellow one.
Yeah, that looks yellow. We're gonna have so many onions, we are not even gonna know what to do with them.
The back of this trailer will probably be full.
I know I plan on making onion powder and some dried onions for cooking.
That's a small one.
Yeah, that
small
is small.
purple one. We're gonna let these dry. We're gonna come out here and harvest some more real quick. You gonna stay there and play?
You want to come with us or you want to stay?
Anyway, they say when onions are laying over like this, they're ready to be harvested. But if you look over here in this bed, they're not laying over. So they need to be harvested though.
Yeah, look at that. Look at how big.
The plant's bigger than the onion. But I might wait on these. We'll see. I don't see any of the purples laying over.
Maybe a couple.
Yeah, maybe a couple. And the yellow. Got yellow ones, I think they're about ready, no matter what.
Look at that.
Here's some right here. I'll go ahead and take them. I say, just leave the dirt on, don't peel nothing off, just leave it like this and let it dry. So, let's go back over here. Look at this strong smelling. Huh?
Yep.
She got. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and harvest some of these, or most of these. This one's not laying over, but
Look how big it is.
I'm gonna take it to shake the dirt off. Don't mess with it much at all. Got little ones, got big ones. But after they dry and we get the greens cut off of them, we'll do a weigh-in and see how many pounds we grew. Now, take this one, this one. That's a little one. I'd go ahead and just pull that too. Huh.
That's a yellow.
I know. I'm gonna go put these up, or you can walk over here, and they don't want to watch me pull them all, I guess. So after we get them harvested, we'll show you what we got in the trailer. You stop. You in jail?
Hey! Woo. So you have to lay them out, not touching each other?
Right.
Okay, how long do they stay drying out?
Until they, well, these are ready to be trimmed. You leave about 2 inches of this and trim it off and let it dry a little bit longer.
Okay.
And
Autumn.
that's it. Well, I want when that end gets really dried out, it's ready to use. They're ready to use right now, but
if you were to use them right now, would they be flavorful? Would they
yes.
be dry enough?
Yeah, we've already did that. What? I know, we already did that. It don't matter. Yeah, you can pull them right out of the garden and use them if you want to, but it's time to harvest now and make room for other things in the garden. I just hope we got enough room for the we'll be back with y'all after we get them all.
See you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
Yep, put your shoe on.
Well, we're back. We didn't take the purple onions yet because
We have no room.
I had no room. This trailer is full of onions.
I got him.
Now the 10-15s didn't get as big as I liked them to, but that's good enough for me.
This one did.
A couple of them got pretty good size. The white got bigger than any of them. And I got a few small ones I'm gonna go ahead and take in the house for my pleasure. But I'm gonna let these dry a couple of more days. It's not gonna hurt to leave them purple ones out there a couple more days. And I'll come out here and see which ones are the driest and go ahead and trim them and move them to a different location and make room for the purple onions or the red onions, what some people call them. We call them purple. So she's grabbing because she can't get in the trailer.
Yep, she wants back in the trailer.
She wants to play in the trailer. I'll have to get a bale of hay one day and put in there and pull her around the yard with the lawnmower.
Yep. Do a little hay ride.
Say, I love y'all.
Say I love you.
Say bye-bye.
Hi.
See you
Say
later.
thumbs up.
Thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell,
Ring the bell.
ring-a-ding-a-ding. And we'll make you some more videos. You're getting questions on these onions. Now this is my first time to grow onions ever in my life. Except for multipliers. That don't count as onions, that just count pick and eat. Anyway, y'all please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll make y'all some more videos.
See you on the next
If you
go
got
round.
questions, just ask me. I'll answer if I can. So bye, y'all.
Bye.